Well, this is my little, what are we going to call it? It's basically an edger that I put this fancy blade on that my brother-in-law gave me and I can't find any more of. And I put bigger wheels on the back because once it grinds into the stump, it leaves a big old pile. It's hard to maneuver, but it's been doing real good. Sharpen up these blades and cut away. This is a great big, this is 3-foot stump, 3 or 4 foot stump, and but I'm running out of stumps. This is about the 7th stump that I'm working on. The other ones were smaller, but it just takes time.